Hey guys, welcome to the halftime show. I know hindi masyadong okay yung market sentiment ngayon, but nevertheless, I'm still here to update you guys for what happened for the first 3 days of the week, Monday to Wednesday. Ano bang mga movers, more of puro losers, no? Konti lang yung winners natin. So, let's get on to our charts to check out the updates kung ano yung mga winners, top gainers, top losers. Okay, so we'll just look at the PSE for sa start. Okay, yung PSE natin hindi naman bumababa, no? So nakikita natin, uy, parang sa 77 lang naman yung PSE index. Pero sa totoo niyan, underlying lahat ng mga stocks dami ng down, okay? So we'll start by the let's start to look at the winners, okay? So sabi ng isang tao last week, sir, diyan ka na lang sa side, mag-scroll up and down ka dito sa scroll na to. Yes, I know how to do that, but hindi ko kasi sinasali yung mga ganitong up, yung mga value, UPM, yung mga smaller yung walang masyadong volume like that. Okay? So hindi ko siya pinapansin. Ito 4 million traded. Nandiyan. Okay, so top gainer to, but wala namang wala naman talagang move because you can see the momentum yan 75, sobrang momentum down, pero baka mag-bounce konti. CPG, we saw this move, yan, winner siya today, but it's still in the big range. Yan, okay. Yan, it's a big range. CEI, it's something, you see, 5,000 lang yung traded, that's top gainer siya. AXLM, bouncing back, yan, but downtrend. This is the top winner, BCOR, okay? Okay na sana to. Problema, itong day na to, grabe itong shakeout na to. Imagine mo from 380 nag-320. So that's a 20%, more mga 18% swing. So, masya-shakeout ka talaga dyan. Ako, na-shakeout ako dito sa day na to. Konti lang nga binili ko. I bought it around mga 340, ganyan. Tapos yung bumalik din sa price ko, talo pa ako konti. Bloom is a top gainer. Yan, but it's just there. PSV, IMI, TUGS. So, ito wala sa bottom. Okay, so the topic of the day is the water problem. Okay, water serye. After the telco serye, sabi nila water serye. So, mainit na mainit si President Duterte dun sa mga water company kay MVP saka Ayala. Okay. So we saw this one. We saw Manila Water go down. Boom. We saw DMCI go down 13% also. And then we saw MPI go down 13% as well. Okay. The problem is with this, yung sinasabi ko, that's why bumili ako kasi yung news na sinabi nila na mag-end ng concessionaire ng contract ng 2022, sinabi niya last night, sinabi na rin niya sa news kaninang umaga. So yun nag-open yung market up pa, nag-up na. So kaninang umaga, yung MPI nag-up na, nag-385 na, di ba? Tapos yung DMC kaninang morning, we saw this, let's check the 5 minutes. Yan kaninang umaga, ito yung situation kaninang umaga. Yan, so from 585 dire-diretso hanggang 615, right? So that's up 4%. So given the news na nabasa ko, so nakita ko na up pa rin yung mga stocks na yan. So sabi ko, parang na-factor din na yung news na kahit na mag-renegotiate ng 2022 yung contracts ng mga water companies, hindi na sila bumabagsak. So on the way up na, maybe for the bounce. That's why bumili ako ng Manila Water. Kaninang morning, yan. Kaninang, ito yung picture, bago nagka-leche-leche. Yan. So, yan, from 14, nag-15 na siya. So, kanina, I was buying it here, around this area. And then, nung hapon, boom, nahulog. Yan. So, nagbenta ako sa mga 13.50 to 13. May konting 12.50. Okay. So, Yun yung issue na hindi na raw i-renew yung extension but it will be until only 2022. Okay, so nakita natin down yung DMCI because it's the holding company. Down yung MPI because holding company rin siya. Manila Water, directly, yun siya yung tubig. The only problem is, kanina yung problem ko lang, kaya medyo naasar ako because yung DMCI hindi na-suspend. And then yung other two, MPI and Manila Water, na-suspend. So while everyone is selling yung hapon, yung sell-off ng DMCI, syempre lahat ng dalawang, yung Manila Water at MPI, syempre yung mga stockholders niya, natatakot na because by the time 2:30 na, yung price ng DMCI is already down 15%. So what will happen to the other two prices ng other two? Syempre, gap down din. So from MPI lunchtime ng 380 nag-open ng 330. Sa MWC 14.94 open siya ng 1350. So I think it's unfair but that's how it works. Dapat sabay-sabay na lang nilang ni-resume or sabay-sabay nilang sinuspend pati yung DMCI because he is already also a concerned party. Ginawa nila, hindi nila sinama yung DMCI, so yung dalawa lang na-suspend. So ngayon, nagpanic na after. But if they suspended all three at the same time and then they opened at the same time at 2:30, then maybe there's a chance for everyone to cut their losses and get out. But given that situation na dalawa lang na-suspend and then naiwan yung dalawang yon, they opened it from 380 to open ng 330, that's 50 cents. Wala ka ng chance to sell at a loss. But if they opened it sabay-sabay, makakalabas ka pa 350, 360, 340, not 330 from 385, right? So that's why I'm medyo na throw off ako doon. Okay, another loser is ISM. Nagkaroon ng news to that they will, hindi na udeya na raw. So yan, from 420, it went down to 330, down 26%, right? Now, corporation, I'm not sure about the news. Hindi ko na ginalaw yung cursor. Same din. Yan, siguro parang ano rin yan. So, yung ISM, dito telecom na lang daw. Yun now, hindi ko sure kung anong issue niya. But it's also down. This one is Ayala owned, so maybe that's why it's down. ALLHC is Ayala Logistics. It's also down big because of may earnings yata na news. So this is down big. AXLM also down. So kanina nag-bounce. But it's in a downtrend. Frutas, nadamay na rin, down na rin. Tsaka yung morning up pa. So, yon. So nag-close up kapon 16. Kanina, mahina. Nagkabuhusan nung hapon. So I think sama-sama lahat ng stocks na bumaba. Okay? Below ng 50-day MA. So the only ones surviving are what we can see here. This one, SM, BDO, SMPH. And BDO is 52-week. That's a 52-week high. SMPH is also there, 42. Malapit na sa all-time high. So I think the safe haven for now will be SM stocks. So that will be SM Prime, BDO, Bloom siguro, pwede pa. Yan. So AC is also down. Yan, downtrend siya. So bad sentiment dahil kalaban ni President yung si Ayala. Okay? So the index might not look breaking down, but lahat ng mga underlying issues are getting beaten down because of the siguro political risk, market sentiment, sobrang maingay yung president natin, tapos ngayon nagkakaroon ng water issue. So all the stocks are getting hit. So if ever talo ka dito sa isang stock, other stocks are interconnected. So if you own MPI, it's connected din siya sa TEL, connected din siya sa Meralco, right? So eventually JGS will be affected by that also because JGS is a holding company of yung mga ibang utilities. So interesting kung anong mangyayari sa development dito sa water issue or the issue of President with MVP and the Ayalas. Okay, so that's it for now. I'll see you guys next Wednesday for the update. Thank you for watching. So bye.